Well, we are post-hurricane. This is actually, what is it today? Thursday. The power's out right now. So I'm gonna try to make some salmon patties. I'm gonna cook them on the grill out here. And let me get my lighting going. Okay. So I have taken some leftover cracker crumbs, tortilla chip crumbs from my pico de gallo, and I also crushed up some saltine crackers, and I put them in here with a couple of eggs, a little bit of milk, and there's a lot of seasoning on those chips, so I'm not going to put much seasoning there. I'm going to chop up an onion and put in there, and I'm going to cook it over here on the grill because the power's out. And I don't really know what I'm doing here. I'm improvising, which is pretty much the way I always cook. I like onions, so probably put a lot of onion in this. I think this is actually a Vidalia onion, which Tommy's been getting those at the variety store, which is nice. Nice sweet onion. Hard to see out here. Kitty has gone to Hatteras for a dentist appointment, so I'm expecting her to get back hungry, which is always the case for Kitty. Better be careful not to cut my fingers off, particularly on the left hand. That's my chording hand, you know, playing music. Alright. So I just put a good handful of chopped onions in the mix here. I don't know if you can see it. Still haven't put my salmon in, but here it goes. I'm going to put a lot of the juice in there because I figure there's a lot of good stuff in the juice. My lighting crew is really doing an exceptional job here. It's making it difficult to hold the bowl that I'm mixing in because I'm holding the flashlight with the other hand. By the way, these little flashlights are available at the variety store. Quite a nice little flashlight. And I've actually never made this before with the pico de gallo chip crumbs, but I got that idea from JT, who is from Texas, and he makes a lot of he makes migas for breakfast a lot, and crushes up corn chips and puts them in his eggs in the morning. Alright, I think that's about what I want there. I gotta form them into patties now. Oh boy, there's a ferry coming in. We're glad to see that after this storm, and we haven't had ferries running for several days. I think we're not going to be able to get groceries restocked at the variety store for several days now. they're talking about it might be about a week before they can get restocked. So Kitty has gone up to Food Lion in Avon today, along with her dental appointment, and you can see the docks there without any deck on them. All got torn up in the storm. Better go get my oil going. Get my lights back going here. Okay, I'm also improvising on my oil. I have some coconut oil here, which is good stuff, and if I can find my spoon, I'm gonna mix that up with some olive oil to fry these in. Trader Joe's olive oil. Alright, I'm gonna put some olive oil in here and some coconut oil. I think these salmon patties will be good cooked in the coconut oil. Alright, I'm going to see if I can do a one-handed patty making, because I don't have a light man here. So I'm going to shine the camera and the light at this ball. Hopefully I'll be able to see it. Alright, got my first wad here. Feels good. Now, of course, I've washed my hands. I'm being quite sanitary with this. Patty number 2. Getting that pressed out. I need a better light. I think my light is starting to die on me here. But it's a good light. It's been a good light. Went through the whole hurricane without replacing any batteries, so I'm excited about that. Oh, let's see. I hope my mother is not watching this. My mother's a really good cook. Alright. I think I'm ready to put these things in the grease, fry them up. Well, I'm going to try not to burn myself here and get these in this hot grease. Got the first one in, no burn. I got a little bit of burn there. Not bad though. Looks like I can fit 3 in here. Here we go. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm excited about it. It looks really good. Okay, the power's come back on, so I got these things going, so I'm gonna finish cooking them here on the grill. Tell you what, they look good. They do. Now, I know I don't need to tell you guys this, but canned peas are a crucial ingredient when you're having salmon patties. That's what my mama always had. These came from the variety store. Okay, I'm gonna go put them on the stove because I've only got one eye out here on the grill. Mmm. A lot of you may not know this about canned peas, but when you cook them on the stove, you should open the can first. So I'm going to open the can here first. Alright, I think Kitty is coming into the driveway, so I need to demonstrate how you open this can of peas. It's best if you have a swing away can opener. They're really the only can opener that works. Now I'm also going to turn the oven on so that the peas will heat up. Okay, here we go. Need to find my lid. You might hear Pepper the cat. She is talking to me because she just heard a can open. What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? So, Kitty got a chicken from, where'd you get it?
Food Lion.
Okay, alright. Yeah, go ahead and eat your chicken. I'm going to eat my salmon patties that I've worked so hard for our family.
They had a new industrial park. People were coming and calling every week. After House Bill 2, completely gone. Everybody needs to be safe in the bathroom.
We still create jobs every week.
Oh man, okay. Well, canned peas are about ready here. Alright, I'm going to sign off and go eat. See you later.
And points out you were one of just 3 senators.
Oh yeah. Man. That's good. Yeah.